I was popping. You already know what it is, man. Off the wave. Smell me. I'm your boy, Big Mula, man. Today, I'm going to teach you how to knock off your headliner. The car headliner, that is. Check it out. This is what you're going to do, man. You see how I already started right here? It did. We in the inside of the Lincoln. So what you're going to do, man, you're just going to start just tearing all this stuff up. All the headliner that's on here that's hanging, you're just going to rip it. Just rip it, grab it, tear it all off. It's going to come around the edges. I'll get it all off of here, you know what I'm saying? Just pull it. Just pull it off. And once you get it all off, like that right there, y'all see that? Once y'all get it all off like that, you'll get you one of these little brush, little hard bristles, and you're just gonna start sliding up here. It's gonna start knocking down all that headliner, upholstery, that brown stuff that's stuck up there, like that fabric, that cotton stuff that's gonna be falling from all on your head and stuff. You're just gonna knock it down. You're gonna clean it all up. Get this brush, just clean it all up. Right? Keep you a vacuum too, cause you're gonna need it, man. You're gonna need a vacuum for sure. It's gonna be a mess, so keep a vacuum handy. Get your brush, just knock it all off. It's gonna look like this and come out pretty clean. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta worry about none of that stuff falling. Only a little bit. So what you're gonna do is once it's all cleaned up like this, you're gonna get you some of this right here, some adhesive spray. I see that? Get you some of that adhesive spray, and then you're just gonna spray your headliner. Gonna spray it. Spray it like that. Got a little glue stuck on the tip. Pause. You're gonna spray it, and once you spray it, it's gonna stop all the little particles from falling. You know what I mean? So when you driving with your windows down, until you get your upholstery put back up, you ain't gonna have to worry about none of that debris falling on your hair, man. Getting all in them fresh waves and them jerry curls. You know what I'm saying? That adhesive spray, man. So just spray that headliner after you did all those steps, and you're gonna be solid, man. Tap back in with me. We're gonna put that leather up on the top of there. So check in, man. Stay tuned. Off the wave. I'm your host, Big Mula.